A federal judge has agreed to put her ruling against the Center for Disease Control's eviction moratorium on hold. This is a federal judge for the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia who ruled against the Center for Disease Control's eviction moratorium on May 5th. She said the CDC exceeded its authority when it put that temporary ban on evictions in place in the first place. The Biden administration's Department of Justice immediately appealed that judge's ruling that blocked the eviction moratorium nationwide. In so doing, the Department of Justice sought an emergency order to put that judge's decision on hold, and the judge agreed. So temporarily, this ruling by the judge is put on hold, and it gives the plaintiffs, the renters associations that filed this lawsuit in the first place, until May 12th to file the necessary paperwork opposing this delay. After that, the Department of Justice has 4 days to respond. So for right now, the eviction moratorium is back in place. Renters can still use the CDC's Eviction Declaration Form to show their landlord to prevent being evicted for non-payment of rent during the COVID pandemic. Now, where we've been on this has been a bit of a roller coaster, mostly just trying to figure out if the order is still in effect. It was the Trump administration's Center for Disease Control that issued this order back in September of 2020. It was extended several times, most recently by the Biden administration's CDC that pushed the end date to June 30th, 2021. The Department of Justice, in seeking this emergency order, used similar logic to the logic they used to extend the order in the first place. They said evictions exacerbate the spread of COVID. The harm to the public that would result from unchecked evictions cannot be undone, and they encouraged the judge to take that into consideration when the appeal is heard. Other protections do exist at the same time. About 43 states in the District of Columbia have their own temporary ban on evictions, but it looks a little different in every state. So make sure you understand what is happening closer to your home. Now, if you are in federally financed housing, there are additional protections that exist for you. Those expire at the end of June as well. Rental assistance may still also be available here in the state of Wisconsin where we are. There is indeed rental assistance to help pay your rent and past due rental amounts. This may exist in other states as well. In the description below, we link to some of those rental assistance resources, and you can see what's close to home. More to come in mid-May on this topic as the parties complete their filings and we learn the fate of the eviction moratorium once and for all.